This is a video to help get you started using your My Maricopa Google account and to set up your introduction presentation in the presentation file. Okay, so, rambling. So, getting to your My Maricopa Google account, you can do it one of two ways. This way, mymaricopa.edu, should take you to something that looks familiar, this Student Center. Most of the time you probably log in and this is where you register for classes, look at your course schedule, get your final grades. However, if you notice above the image here with the woman on the laptop, there's a link that says Google Apps at Maricopa. You can click on that link and that takes you to a sign-in page. You use the exact same username and password that you log into the Student Center with. Now, you can directly come to this sign-on page with just typing in google.maricopa.edu, and it brings us to the same page. So, you'll want to go ahead and get signed in here. Now, when you log in, it should bring you to one of two pages. Mine automatically brings up my email, and I like that because I tend to function from email. However, you may, especially if it's your first time logging in, you may get sent to the start page. If that's the case, over here on the left, or at some other box on here, there'll be a box that says My Tools, and you just need to click, there's my Gmail, so that's the email account you'll use for the course, and then My Docs is where you'll be going for making your presentation. So let's go ahead and click out to My Docs. I just want to quickly show you, if you get brought to your email page, you can always link up here in the left-hand corner. There's a link that says Documents, and that'll get you to your Documents section as well. So when you get to your Documents section, it should look something like this, except it's probably empty. What you're going to want to do for your introduction presentation is create new, and then you're going to create a presentation. Okay, I have a nice blank presentation. Now, according to the prompt, I said something along the lines of 5 pictures and 6 slides. So I'm going to do introducing me. I'll type in my name, and let's see. So that's a way to type into it, but what if I want a picture? Insert image. Now, most of you probably have pictures on your computer, so you got to go and find them. I have no idea which picture is which here. And voila, a picture of me and my co-author in Second Life. I'm the one on the right if you're interested in knowing. So I got a picture in there. Now I might want to move this text around so it can work around the picture. That maybe doesn't work down there very well. Let's see. Yay! And if we do something like that, voila. So I have something. There we go. And then when you're ready to add a new slide, you can go to Slide, New Slide, and you're allowed to pick different ones. So you might want to do the 2-column. I like cats. I know I have a picture of a cat here. Hold on. I want to get rid of this text thing. I want to add an image instead. Insert image. The question is, which picture is of my cat? I probably picked the wrong picture. Oh well, it's a picture of my laptop and classes. But basically that's what you're going to do, is you're going to add text, add pictures now. And that's, I was going to tell you how to download and all that, but that's for the next deadline. At this point, just make your slides, finish it. Make sure to hit save as many times as you need. If you want to rename it, something like Women's Study 209 Introduction. I highly suggest you put your name, at least your last name, in it because it'll make it easier. But there you go, and that's how you make this slide. I hope that makes sense. Oh well, let's quickly end with, you'll hit save and close, and then when you go back to find it again, so pretend you log in and you get to your email. Hold on, I'm going to delete out of this stuff. So you log in, you get to your email. If you click on Documents again, at the very top of your list, voila, there's my presentation, and if I click on that, it'll take me back to it. So you could do it over time, or you can go in and change things, and at the next deadline, I'm going to be asking you to do other stuff. hopefully this will get you started, and I look forward to seeing all your introductory presentations.